Your Excellency, Secretary to the Government of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Head of National Assembly Commissioner Designate, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, 2014. Mr. President, one miss. Between October 2019 and June 2023, during the period he coordinated administrative operations and legislative support for the Senate leadership. He was elected member House of Representatives, Aba North South Federal Constituency in Abia State between 2003 and 2011. A grassroots and community development devotee, he has contributed actively to national legislation, constituency development, and community leadership. There you go. Please proceed.
Congratulations to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the laws of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
of the Federal Executive Council. The late Navy Captain Caleb Olubolade retired was a distinguished patriot, an accomplished naval officer, and a statesman whose unwavering commitment to national service remains exemplary. He served as the Minister on Special Duties, Minister of State, Federal Capital Territory, and Minister of Police Affairs during the former President Goodluck Jonathan's administration. Navy Captain Caleb Omoniyi Olubolade retired, passed away suddenly on Saturday, 11th May 2025 at the age of 70. Your Excellency, sir, may I respectfully request that council members rise and observe a minute of silence in honor of the late former FEC member and offer prayers for the peaceful repose of his soul. May the soul of the departed rest in peace.